Today I am going to discuss on necrosis. Okay, so this is a normal cell. Okay, so the
equal to 115 and f sin theta equal to
naming reaction of a carbonyl compound. Okay, what is carbonyl compound? So it is very simple naming reaction.
The research is the backbone of the higher education institutions, and adopting good research.
Learn a specific vocabulary and expressions applied to a particular situation.
Vinayak Mission's Research Foundation.